Why do Filipinos still choose Croatia kahit may mga negative stories? Have you noticed na ang dami pa rin mga Pinoy ang nagsasabing hindi maganda ang Croatia? Not worth it, pero bakit ang dami pa rin mga pumupunta para magtrabaho rito? Is there something missing? Meron ba tayo mga hindi nakikita? O may mas malalim na dahilan? Especially in online, you'll hear a lot of stories. Low salary, mahirap ang trabaho, cold treatment sa trabaho, hindi magandang experience. And honestly, hindi po natin ini-invalidate ang kanilang mga experiences. Kasi bawat kwento may pinanggagalingan. But here's the other side for me. Many Filipinos like me still choose Croatia for one reason. For some, it's an opportunity. It's an opportunity for them to enter in Europe. And it's a stepping stone for them to discover a lot of opportunities that will help them to grow as a person also and to support their family in the Philippines. Let's always remember na hindi pare-parehas ang magiging experience natin. Hindi pare-parehas ang mga magiging journey natin. I know, maraming mga nahihirapan, pero marami rin umaangat. And I always believe na part kasi ng process yung mahirapan tayo. So maybe the real question isn't, is Croatia good or bad? Baka ang tanong, kanino ba talaga nagwo-work ang Croatia? Because working abroad, I know, hindi siya one size fits all. Yeah. So again, I'm always advising you to think 100 times kung okay sa inyo ang kontrata, okay sa inyo magiging trabaho, and again, don't expect too much pag pupunta kayo dito. Gusto mo ba ng part 2, real pros and cons ng buhay ng mga Pinoy dito sa Croatia? Comment nyo lang, gawa natin yan. Good luck mga kapaproyan, and see you soon po dito sa Croatia. Ciao!